Right, hi there. So I received my Tevo Tarantula. Upon unpacking, I found that the bearings are binding. I've got 10 in total, which won't turn at all. Now, I don't know whether you can see this, but they've all got the washers inside them, so that's not the problem. So I've got a piece of tape on here, and I've got the cap head bolt here. I'll put that through and then loosely tighten the nut on the other side. So there we go, that's tightened on there, but that will not turn at all. It's completely lock solid. So if I take that off, now I've got one here which does work, but it's not 100%. It's got like a clicking feeling to it. So here we can see one which is turning. This one's okay, and it's got a clicking feeling to it. I expect it will be serviceable for the purpose it's been intended for, but even so, they're supposed to be brand new bearings, but they are not working, so they've obviously been damaged at some point. Here's another one which is completely lock solid. I've got 10 in total which are completely lock solid and won't go anywhere. There we go, that will not go, it's just lock solid again. So yeah, this video is for the seller, and I hope they can help me with this problem. Okay, thanks very much, bye.